Welcome back, everybody. So, Jamaica has announced their more than 60-member team for the World Championships to be held in Eugene, Oregon in 2 to 3 weeks' time later on in this month. So, the 2022 team consists of, but before we get into that, guys, remember, like and subscribe. And thank you for supporting the channel. And we'd appreciate your help on the way to 3,000 subscribers. All right, let's look at the team now. See? So we start with the women's 100. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Shericka Jackson, Kemba Nelson, Lane Thompson, and Brianna Williams is the alternate. For the men's 100, it's Johan Blake, Seville, Akeem Blake, and Jelani Walker as the alternate. Shericka Jackson leads the way in the women's 200 meters. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Lane Thompson, and Natalia White. All right. In the men's 200, it's Akeem Bloomfield, Johan Blake, and Rasheen Dwyer. All right. I don't see any alternates for those events. All right. Move on to the women's 400. It's Candice McLeod, Stephanie-Ann McPherson, Cherokee Young, and Stacey-Ann Williams as the alternate. For the men's 400, it's Javon Powell, Christopher Taylor, and Nathan Allen. No alternate there. All right. We'll move on to the 800 meter for women. Natalie Gould, Christian Gordon Powell, and Adele Tracy as the alternate. All right. 800 meters, it's just Navaska Anderson. For the 1500 women, it's Adele Tracy, and we don't have any athletes doing the 1500 for men. We go to the hurdles. So in the women's 100 meter hurdles, it's Brittany Anderson, Megan Tapper, and Danielle Williams, and Demisha Roswell is the alternate. For the men's 110 meter hurdles, it's Hansel Parchment, Rashid Broadwell, Orlando Bennett, and Damian Thomas as the alternate. Women's 400 meter hurdles, Cheyenne Salmon, Genevieve Russell, Rochelle Clayton, and Andrenette Knight as the alternate. The women's 400, men's 400 hurdles rather, is Jaheel Hyde, Kemar Mowat, and Sean Rowe. No alternate there. Now we'll get into some field events. We'll start with the women's triple jump. Shanika Ricketts, Kimberly Williams, and Akila Smith is the alternate. Long jump for women, we just have Shanice Porter, and she's the alternate. So we might not have any representation there. Same with the women's discus, Samantha Hall. All right, and she also has the asterisk beside her name, which means she is a alternate. Women's high jump, Lamara Distin with Kimberly Williamson as an alternate. Women's shot put, we have Danielle Thomas Dodd with Ladricia Cameron as a alternate. Go to the men's discus, we have Travis Michael, and we have alternating Frederick Bakers and Chad Wright. Men's long jump, we have Tajay Gale, and Wayne Pinnock is the alternate. We are waiting to see if Tajay will be fit for the World Championships. Hopefully he will be. Men's triple jump, we have Jordan Scott, which is our alternate. Now we go to the relays. In the 4x100 meter, the women will be represented by Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Shericka Jackson, Kemba Nelson, Elaine Thompson-Hera, Brianna Williams, and Ramona Burchell. The men's team for the 4x100 is Johan Blake, Seville, Akeem Blake, Jelani Walker, Kemar Bailey Cole, and Conroy Jones. For the 4x4 women's, we have Candice McLeod, Stephanie-Ann McPherson, Cherokee Young, Stacey-Ann Williams, Natalia White, and Ranisha McGregor. On the men's side of the 4x4, it's Javon Powell, Christopher Taylor, Kareem Bailey, Javon Francis, Anthony Cox, and Nathan Allen as an alternate. We have the 4x4 mixed team, which is basically still somewhat new. We have Janelle Broomfield, Akeem Bloomfield, Tiffany James Rose, and Gregory Prince. So there you have it, guys. A fairly large team from our small country. And if you were wondering why you didn't hear young Hudson's name, he was left out. That is the 200-meter champions, Andrew Hudson. He was left off of the team because he didn't get his passport sorted out in time. All right. All right, guys. So that's it for now. Remember, like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.